Here is the parcel. I have opened this. So what is the model number? Model number is Lenovo G5070. So motherboard model. Motherboard. It has no power on. It's in dead condition. Motherboard model number is, yes, it is here, ACLU1 to NMA271 2013-12-5. The condition is dead, no power on. So in this situation, what are the areas we need to check? Let us discuss. Here is the board. So it is in completely no power on situation. So in this condition, first from where you will check? The main areas are, first procedure, as per the procedure, first you need to check the CLR. In case it has short, then go for all PWM sections. That is actually procedure. So almost all technicians will check the coil voltages. If beep will come, so then they will think it is a short. So first CLR, whatever it may be. Actually there will be only two CLRs. One is battery side and other one is main supply. Okay, if CLR has no short, then 100% supply is not, supply will be passing, but short will be some other side. In case CLR is short, then you need to check all coil sections, okay, impedance sections. First I will check, first I will find out the CLR. See, here is the DC jack, nearby here one CLR is there, okay, one more CLR maybe this side, where here it's not there, here only we will check, here one more CLR, okay. The main thing is two CLRs are here only. One is, this is battery side and this one is AC side. By seeing only we can identify. See here first and second MOSFET. Maybe I will check the schematic and I will show you. So here the DC jack, first, second, and here is the CLR. So here it's the battery side, discharging MOSFET, maybe it's a coil, battery coil, and here is the battery CLR. Okay. First we need to check the CLR has short or not. First one is no short. This is AC CLR. Okay. Next CLR is battery CLR. That also no short. Correct. So here it's confirmed there is no power issue. Means power is good actually, because direct AC, see here itself we can check positive and negative, there is no short, okay. So now easily we can give the supply, but before that maybe this MOSFET may be the issue. This one you need to check, there is no issue. Here this MOSFET, there is no issue. See the short, it might happen in 2-3 conditions. One is the main section, what is that, CLR output section or input section, okay. And second cases MOSFET may be the faulty, third cases capacitor may be the faulty, or fourth cases the logic may be disabling, okay. The circuit logics will be there, no logic circuits, that may be the faulty. So due to these three or four sections, the motherboard get no display or no power on cases. Okay, so now what we checked CLR. CLR is good, okay. Blindly we can give the supply, there is no issues. But before that, what are the components? First positive, negative we checked, there also no short, and here the MOSFETs, two MOSFETs also no short. In this case the logic issue, what we have to consider is the logic issue. Logic means there will be 3-leg MOSFETs and transistors, so many things will be there. This particular model I already explained multiple times, it has back-in concept. There may be issue. Okay, so here usually it will come with the P channel MOSFETs. In case of P channel gate is not proper, then also you won't get the supply to the CLR. That also may be. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I will open the schematic. Okay, then part by part where we have to check, that we will discuss. Okay, see, here is the V in section, means it's a DC jack, it's a plus minus. Here is the fuse and here is the coil PL708 and PL706. The motherboard, what will be the coil? See, here is the coil PL706 and PL708. So this is V in section. Now I will give the supply. V in section is good or not. Before giving the supply, first I will check the impedance. It is short or not. First I will confirm. There is no short. Okay. Easily I can give the supply. See, I have given. So now I will check the voltage. So here is the metal part. We need to do the tape work. So I will do that. So now I will check the voltage. See, what is the voltage? 20.3. So V in is good. So next from V in to first MOSFET it will come, right? So where we have to go? We have to go to first MOSFET. Here is the first MOSFET. V in, it will enter PQ301. Correct. Here is the PQ301. First we need to check these are the areas the voltage is supplying or not. Okay. So now we need to check PQ301. Actually it's a P channel MOSFET. Usually here it will be 20 volts or lesser than that, and it will easily pass to P2 because it's a forward bias. And in case here is the voltage divider, so in case voltage divider voltage will come to the gate, then complete voltage 20 voltage will pass to P2. Okay, so that we will check now. PQ301, where it is? PQ301. Here is the PQ301. So first MOSFET, this is the first MOSFET. Okay, so now we will check. This is the drain, right? So first it will come to the drain. The voltage 20 volts. Okay, it has come. Then the source, easily it will pass. Source has 19.76. It means there may be issue with the gate. Correct. See, the gate also 19.74. Here only you can easily identify the gate voltage is missing. Okay, here is the first point, and it will go to second MOSFET. It's a PQ302. Here is the source. Source. What is the source? 19.76. What about gate? Gate 19.75. See, problem here only you can easily identify because both MOSFET gate is not coming, so it has some issues. What may be the issue? That in schematic we will discuss. See, the V in has come from here, correct? Where it has gone? Here one resistor is there, 200k resistor, and after that NPN and PNP MOSFETs are there here. When this one I already explained in multiple videos, please go through that. Here one MOSFET is there. Actually it's a 6-leg MOSFET. Okay, in that what will be the logic? The logic I already explained. Pack-in concept. So now first we will check this one. We already checked. So now this resistor we will check, and this, what is that, transistors we will check. We are getting any voltages or not, or any short is there or not, that also we will check. Okay, so now first we will find out these two. What are those? It's a PQ305 and PQ304. What are the voltage it has? Okay. Now first I will identify the component where it is 3 leg. See, PQ305 is the NPN transistor. Here only attached to the resistor. See, this is the resistor. Here is the resistor. So see, I will show you. This one is PQ. Here, this one is PQ305 3-leg Mosfet. Okay. So this 3-leg Mosfet, a resistor is attached here. This one also has VIN section. So through this only VIN supply comes to this PQ305. And here one more is there, PQ304. It is here. This one is PNP transistor. So here one side we will get what we will get. We will get 19 voltage, and other side we should not get. Okay. So that also, that logic we will check. First, between these 3 pins has short or not, that we will check one by one. See, now what I am checking, the short between the component. Okay, first you must, not first, it's a must, you need to check, because if it has short, so then also problem will occur. There is no short. In that case, directly we can give the supply and we will check. Okay, so I will give the supply. First, one resistor is there, PR302. See, PR302, a resistor is there. Here the voltage is supplying or not. First we need to check. Here what voltage we are getting. Those things we will check. So now I am going to give the supply. Given. What will be the voltage? Here is the pin number 1, NPN. No voltage. Pin number 1 should come some voltage, but anyway, here there is no voltage. Here is the pin number 3 will be ground. Okay, pin number 2 supposed to be 19.5 volts. 6.6 volts. Oh, here it should be 19. See, here it should be 19.7 or 20 volts. It's supposed to be, but we are getting 6.6 volt. Okay, before this, see, here is the path. Here pin number 2 we are getting 6.6. Why? Here it should be ground, right? In case this, what is that, this MOSFET is active, then all voltage from 6 to 1 it will connect, then there will be no voltage here, but we are getting 6 volts. How? Here 19 should be there, right? In case this MOSFET is not working, then here 19 we should get. Okay, once again, what is the resistor? Resistor we will check nearby, that only we have resistor. So that resistor we will check. This is the resistor. Still supply is there. Supply one side. What is the voltage? 20.33. Resistor one side, and other side 6. See, here is the issue. That may be transistor issue, or maybe because of this resistor issue, because after this resistor the voltage is getting drop. That may be because of this NPN transistor. So in this condition, what we have to do, first we need to remove this MOSFET and remove this NPN transistor, and then we will check the problem was with the NPN or not. Okay, one by one we will check. Then also the same issue will come. Then this 6-leg MOSFET, 6-leg MOSFET may be the issue, or maybe this resistor may be the issue. Okay, first what we have to do is 3-leg NPN transistor. First we will remove, and we will check the voltage we are getting or not. Now I have opened the NPN transistor. So what will be the development? Let us check. Means the resistor output was not coming, means only 6 volts was there instead of 19 volts. Now this is the resistor, and here the component I removed. So here the input, so I am not connected, just a minute. So I am connecting now. Okay, connected. Now here is the input, 20 volts. Okay, 20 volts. Now what about the output? 16.3. Some development has come. Okay, so it means what the resistor value here, the resistor is 200k, but still some issue will be there because of the below this one. See here, PQ307. PQ307A is there, no? Here we are getting 16.6 something. Okay. Next here PR302. Here 20 volts, and here 16 volts. Here this component has removed. Because of this component, here was the problem. So now this may be the problem. So because of this, we are getting little bit dropped voltages here. Okay. Let me check now. It's 16.6 something now, but the pack-in is happening or not. See this pack-in, we need to check. What is that? PR309. PR309. Where it will come? PR309. So it will come here, this side. Okay, here the component, yeah, this is the one. Okay, here pack-in is available or not? No, pack-in voltage is not available. Okay, why it's not available? We need to check the charging IC is getting input or not. Okay, now this is the main point. Here is the main problem got solved. Actually the NPN transistor was the issue, so now we removed it. Now let me check in charging IC section. If charging IC is okay, then somehow we are getting the voltages correct. So that input we are taking, it's taking or not, that we will check. Here is the charging IC. This is the one, charging IC. See, here is the one. Okay. Now the input is pin number 737, right? It's a 20. 20 is the input one. Is it connected to the ground? Yeah, it's giving beep. Pin number 20 is giving beep. In the sense, there is no point to check here, because here is the beep means what are the supply is coming to this IC has beep. Why it's beep? Here is the input resistor. Here this is a big one. By seeing only we can identify. But here see the beep. Okay. Here now this IC may be the issue, or here input section may be the issue. See, we will check. We will removing this resistor. First I will remove this resistor and I will check the beep has gone or not. Okay. So then I will remove this IC and I will replace, then it will work or not, that we will check. But the beep has to gone. So now once again I will show you the beep is there or not. Pin number 20. See, somehow some beep is there. Okay, it's coming through this. One side there is no beep, and other side there is a beep. Okay, now I will remove this resistor. Let me check. See, Here I found this register was the issue. Okay, that is input register to the particular charging IC. Okay, I removed this and I replaced, and also one capacitor nearby this pin number 20. That also was the issue. When I removed this capacitor, the short has gone, but when I observed this resistor, there is a point in between. See, it's a burnt one in between, so that's why I replaced to this resistor. Okay, 10 ohm. So now what I will do, so now once again I will check the beep. If beep is not there, then directly with the supply I will check. Okay, so now pin number 20, there is no beep. See, there is no beep. Okay, beep has gone. Now shall I give the supply? Yes, of course, because there is no beep. Let me try once giving the supply. So now I'm giving the supply. We have to take much care once giving the supply. See, now I have given the supply to the input is coming or not. Yes, 20 volts is coming to the IC. Then what about CLR? Yes, CLR also we are getting. Light or any power on here, any component are getting heat? No. Okay, then 3 volt 5 volts will be here, that I will check. See now, so 3 volts is available or not. Yeah, 3.4. Now this is 5 volts. 5 volts, yeah, voltage is there. Then board must be on position. It will turn it on, but why it's not turned on? Manually I will try. So here is the power button. Carefully we have to keep the supply. Here is the power button. So as per the schematic, pin number 2 is the no button and pin number 3 is the power supply. So let me check. Here is the LED. So it will glow or not. I will take my tweezer and pin number 3 and ground. See, pin number 3 and ground. Yeah, light came here. So now board is on. See, this is the method to do the troubleshooting. Okay, now easy step. What are the things I removed? I removed this transistor, and where it has gone, one resistor and one capacitor. Using these three, the problem got solved instead of replacing the IC. So please don't do the replacement of the IC blindly. Okay, do the necessary step, then you come to know how to solve the issues. Okay, that's it. If anyone wants to join our PLC, you are welcome. Please do the WhatsApp message. I will reply to you. You can do the Telegram or WhatsApp, anything. Thank you very much.